What's up, fam? Today, we're diving deep into some serious retro vibes, talking about a classic that shook the scene back in 2007. The Nokia 5700 XpressMusic. Yeah, that funky hybrid slider with the twisty keypad that was all about music and video. If you're a true OG or just love the old school tech flex, stick around because we're about to unpack this iconic piece of Nokia history and why it was a game changer for its time. So, before the 5700, Nokia had the 5300 slider and the wild 3250 with its rotating keypad. The 5700 was like the love child of those two. Slider vibes from the 5300 with the twisty keypad from the 3250. The real magic? The keypad spins 180 degrees, flipping between dialing mode and dedicated music controls. Straight up genius for jamming on the go. Music was king here. You had giant buttons for play, pause, skip. Perfect for that mid-bus concert or those chill moments alone. The sound? Surprisingly loud and crisp, with stereo speakers blasting tunes loud enough to annoy the bus neighbors. Sorry, not sorry. Now, the camera was kinda cool for 2007. 2 megapixels with a rotating lens that let you shoot selfies or point and shoot. It wasn't perfect, a bit clunky to operate with one hand, but hey, it looked sleek and felt futuristic back then. Specs-wise, 128 MB internal memory, expandable to 4 GB with MicroSD. Tiny by today's standards, but enough for your jams and snaps. Powered by Symbian S60, running on a 389 MHz processor with 64 MB RAM. Basically a relic now, but a solid workhorse in its day. Honestly, the Nokia 5700 XpressMusic wasn't for everyone. Music lovers adored it, but photographers? Maybe not so much. Still, it's a phone packed with personality and memories. I never owned one myself, but I seriously envied my friend who did. So, what about you? Did you rock the 5700 back in the day? Or just vibe with these retro legends now? Drop a comment, share your throwback stories, and hey, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss more nostalgic tech trips. Catch you on the next one. Peace out.